Now we're going to raise up this end over here. I'm using the old fulcrum fulcrum lever. Which right here would probably work. You got your block. I guess we'll have to chisel some of that nasty stuff off right there.
There's a nicer one around back. If you don't want to chisel it off.
Where's that?
I'll grab it.
You put this quarter pad on top of that.
By the way, it's wet down here.
Is it?
It is.
You know how downhill works.
All around downhill, alright.
Plumbers know that. Everything goes downhill. All their work goes downhill. We need to put some more on there.
Like a 1x? What about this stuff? Is it 2-rotted?
Try to see if we can get a 2x on it. I don't know.
Alright, you might have to stand on it.
I like that a little more. That's a little wider.
What the shimmer here? Will that work?
Down, so it's probably not a 2x.
Can you do it?
These pieces that we cut out, we can use those two.
Yeah. Pretty close to 1x.
I could put a whole lot of sound effects on. It's not really that big a deal.
Oh! Alright. That looks like a run a little bit downhill.
Yeah, it does. What?
Yeah. I don't think we can get so much further up because that right hand side looks like it's.
Maybe we can go. I can get where you put a 2x under it.
Okay.
See if the middle's out there.
No, we're still attached to the ground, but that's not a very good support either.
It's getting kind of miserable.
It's making me have to pee every time I turn around. We should keep squatting down and up. Bouncy or feel
Oh,
like?
that's good.
Alright, then let's leave it. It's not horribly running downhill, it's just a little bit.